Hi, I'm Aggie from Mahogany Inclusion Partners. Our purpose is to make the world a more inclusive place. And that, we believe, starts with knowledge and awareness. We want to help you with that and answer some frequently asked questions when it comes to diversity, equity, and inclusion. So today we're going to talk about covering. So what is covering? Covering happens when individuals feel as though they have to hide elements of who they are. We know that inclusion is about everyone turning up as who they are and sharing in a way that works for them in the workplace so they can be their awesome selves. Covering is the opposite of that. It's feeling as though you have to hide elements of who you are because you're worried about discrimination in the workplace. We have examples of people potentially hiding the fact that they have children, or maybe not speaking about the fact they have children as much because they feel as though they'll be seen as less committed. We have people potentially covering or hiding the fact that they are in a relationship with someone of the same gender, again because they're worried about how they may be treated. People may be hiding their religion, religious beliefs or religious practices, and also people may be diminishing or trying to dial down elements of their culture. So an example may be a black woman straightening her hair to fit in. There is nothing wrong with straightening your hair if that's a choice, but what we're talking about is making that intentional choice because you fear discrimination or retaliation. So covering, as we know, hurts organizations because if you imagine showing up to the workplace and hiding elements of who you are and not being who you are, means you're probably not showing up in the best way for yourself, but also for your colleagues and your organizations. Maybe you're not bringing your best ideas to the table, and maybe you're not performing in the best ways you possibly can. So covering, as we said, is hiding elements of who you are because you're fearful of discrimination or fearful of being treated differently. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope this has helped you understand what covering is.